Good evening, children. So I thought of doing a Kodu game lab, creating a new game using the Kodu. So open the Kodu. When you open the Kodu, you will get into this window. Come over here, click on this load world. So before getting into that, you can install Kodu. Once it is installed, you can search it on this Windows menu bar. And over here, you can either type or sometimes it shows in this as Kodu Game Lab. Okay, once you click that and open, so you are getting into this window. Click over here, go to New World and click on this icon. So you will get a green color area that is called terrain or the ground. So now let's see how to increase this ground area. Over here, you can see the ground brush. Click on this. Now you can paint the ground brush so you can increase the area of the ground. And also you can see the white color square one, that is the paint size, paintbrush size. You can increase or decrease by using the left and right arrow keys. So by pressing left arrow key, so I made it little small, so that will be easy to draw it like this. Right. Now let's go to draw a path. So you can find this path tool, right? Click on this and click on the ground. So you can see the first wall. From that point, you keep marking the path. So I'm marking the each path by pressing the left key. Right. I bring it down to the first bobble. Now double click. Now the path is set. Now right click. Right. So click on the change type. So when you click on the change type, so that converts into a kind of a road shape. Now let's see how to insert an object. So basically my plan is to uh, put the object cycle, and the cycle is going to set onto this path. So the cycle will run along this path automatically. Let's click on the object tool. Now click on the green area, then you will get this. This is kind of a menu. Over there, you can find this object tool. Click on this. Then you can find the cycle object. Right. Now the cycle man is here. So I'm going to bring it onto the road. And you can give a different color for this. And that is red. So to select a color, you can use the left or right arrow key. Right. Keep the mouse on top of the cycle. Now I'm going to change it to the red color. So I have a red color cycle. So now what I want to do is make this bicycle run around this path. Right click and go and click on the program. So over here, there's nothing to put on when, because it has to run automatically along the path. Therefore, I am going to click on the do, and I'm going to use the move option. Move, right? Move. Okay, move on path. It is not forward to anything. So next instruction is move on path. So I can make it quickly. Move on path quickly. So we can test it whether it is working. Press escape. Now you can run it. There you are. It is running. Right. Now I'm going to have another object. Click on this. Take another bicycle. Click on cycle. So I have another one. So this is what I am going to control. So again, now select it and click on that. Right click, click on programs. Now I'm going to move it by myself using the keyboard. So I'm going to click on when on the keyboard. And what keys? Arrow keys. when on the keyboard arrow key is pressing, what do we expect to do is to move slowly. Right. So now that is also done. You can press escape. Done. See whether you can control the bicycle. Yes, you can control the bicycle. Right. Now let's escape. So bicycle is running. Everything is done. So basic program we have done. Again, let's go to the object and let's have some trees kind of thing. Click over here, the tree. So I can duplicate by copying and pasting. Right. So you can have trees like this. Paste. So we can have a tree. So we have done a basic program. And one more thing I'm going to add over here. So I'm going to put some apples alone across the ground. So when apple is, the bicycle can eat apples. So again, go to object, click on the object, click on apple. So I can select that, click copy, and I can paste it everywhere. So you can add any number of these. Right. Let's click on the my one, that is cycle 2. Right click, go to program. Right. So when I can use when bumped mean when the cycle meets on this apple. This is what I want to do. Bumped and click over here on bumped on apple. Now what you have to do, click it and direction. Right. Okay. Let's click on the eat. Apple, eat. Let's see. Eat it. Now let's escape. Now let's run the game. Right. So you can play the game and see apples are those have been eaten. Right. So this is the basic program that we have learned during the last class session. So do this practical alone. So then you will learn before. So do it before the next class day. Thank you all. God bless you.